Hi, my name is Kristina Klein and I'm a K-1 after-school art instructor at Cedarhurst. I'd like to thank Bird Watson for sponsoring our after-school art classes in the spring. And I'm gonna give you your daily dose of art. What do you do with all these broken crayons you have in your house? My kids have been coloring a ton and I find all these tiny pieces of crayons. Well, you can make some new ones and turn it into a science lesson. First, you need little teeny tiny pieces of crayons, broken off tips. You need to unwrap them. And then if you have a cooking muffin tin, you can spray it with a little cooking spray. Put all the pieces you have together. You can mix and match. Preheat your oven to 275. Cook them in the oven for about 7 to 8 minutes. And then let them cool, and then you will find what happens when you melt crayons in the oven. They turn into new colors. Hope you guys are doing well, and we can't wait to see you back at classes soon.